Are you looking for some best ways to transfer files from one PC to another using Wi-Fi? If yes, then here you've arrived at the right webpage. Well, there are so many ways to do so, like using a pen drive or HDD. Some of you may also prefer to use an Ethernet cable or Windows workgroup. But all these options have certain limitations like the complexity of setting a plan, Windows workgroup, or unavailability of external drive or pen drive. Have you ever used mobile applications like ShareIt or AirDroid to transfer files from your computer to your Android or iOS device? Obviously, most of you guys have used these applications and are familiar with the file transfer process. Well, do you think you can transfer files between your computers over Wi-Fi in a similar way? Is it really possible? Well, yes, it's possible. If both computers are connected to the same or common Wi-Fi network, you can transfer files easily between them. However, some tools are required to move the files around. So here we will be introducing some tools or applications with the stepwise procedure that will help you to transfer files from one PC to another over Wi-Fi. Without wasting any more time, let's proceed with our main motive. Below are some apps to help you transfer files easily. Number 1. ShareIt. Probably, you might already be using this application to move files between your Android device and PC. It's one of the best and most popular tools that can help you move files between your computers as well. With pretty straightforward UI, the application will allow you to select modes. That's easy and secure mode in which a new password is generated every time you will connect to a new device. Thus, it offers secure connection every time you will be sharing or transferring the files to another PC. Here is the step-by-step procedure to establish the connection and share files between two computers. Step 1. Ensure that your both computers are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Now you will have to install ShareIt PC application on both computers. Once done, launch the application on both computers. Step 3. Now on the computer 1 screen, there will be an option, Connect to PC, on the right corner menu. Click it. Step 4. Now you will have to select computer 2. Test available on the screen. Step 5. Now on computer 2, you will receive a pop-up. Accept. Click it. Step 6. Boom! Both computers are now connected to Wi-Fi and you can exchange files between them. Note: the application works efficiently with Windows only. Its features don't work on Mac OS. Number 2. AnySend. AnySend is another free application or tool available that can help you to transfer files between your computers. It's available for Windows and OS X platform only. The transfer speed depends on the kind of router you're using. Generally, you can expect 2 Mbps to 10 Mbps transfer speed. Here's how it works. Step 1. Like all other applications and tools we've mentioned above, you will have to connect all your computers to a common Wi-Fi connection. Step 2. Install and launch the AnySend application on all or both the computers. Step 3. Copy all the files that you want to transfer to your clipboard. Step 4. Now go to the taskbar and open AnySend. Here, you need to click on the target computer to share the files that you've selected. Step 5. Accept the connection on your second computer and the files will get transferred automatically. Just follow the steps that we have mentioned above and you will be able to transfer files from one PC to another over Wi-Fi within no time. Number 3. FileDrop. It's another best application with straightforward UI. It's one of the easiest tools to share files between your computers. There is no logos in Setting tab. The application is solely designed to transfer files in easiest way. It's free for Windows platform, and if you're having iOS, then you may have to pay $2.99. Below you will find how it works and how the file is transferred from one PC to another over Wi-Fi. Step 1. Connect both computers to a common Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Install and launch the application on both computers. Step 3. Now simply drag and drop all the files that you want to transfer on the connected computers. That's it. Your files will get transferred with an amazing speed. Number 4. Ducto R6. It's a lightweight open source file sharing tool that can help you to move files between your computer with ease. It has really simple UI and there are no hard to use or complex feature. Thus, you can transfer files over Wi-Fi with this application with minimum tech skills. Well, there are some limitations as well, like there are no security and encryption features in this application. Thus, use this application only with trusted network to avoid any unwanted issues. Here we have explained in a stepwise manner how can you use this application to transfer the file from one PC to another over Wi-Fi. Step 1. Connect both PCs to the same common Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Now install Ducto R6 on both computer and launch the application. Step 3. Your computer devices will automatically get detected in this step. Keep patience if it takes time to detect or recognize your target computer device. Step 4. Now select the target computer that will receive the files. Step 5. Now select the files that you want to transfer. Drag them and then drop. That's it. Your files will get transferred to the respective computer device shortly. Number 5. LAN share. Using LAN share, you can transfer files between Windows to Windows or from Windows to Ubuntu or from Ubuntu to Windows. Simply install the app on each computer you want to use. Use the Send menu to select the files or folders you want to send and select the receiver computer from the list. LAN share benefits include works directly for PC to PC. You can send files between any operating system. No file size limits. Better than cloud migration usage. Computer has to be connected to a local area network, wired or wireless. Run the application in both sender and receiver. Send the file or folder by. Select Send by Files or Folder. Then, select Receiver in the Select Receiver dialog. Finally, click Send. File or folder will automatically be received by the receiver. File transfer without using any third-party application. Although, downloading any of the above application and transferring data will be easier. But if you don't want to try any of the applications, you can also try the below steps to transfer files without using any of the above provided application. Step 1. Connect both computers to the same Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Enable file and printer sharing on both computers. If you right-click on a file or folder from either computer and choose to share it, you will be prompted to turn on file and printer sharing. So doing this on both the shared documents all users on the Windows XP machine and the public documents on the Windows 7 machine would be a way to go. Microsoft provides a detailed explanation here. Step 3. View the available network computers from either computer. Then, copy and paste the data you want to transfer. For example, if you have a song sitting on the Windows XP machine in what is now the shared music directory, you would browse to that computer in the network connections available in Explorer on the Windows 7 machine. Browse to that folder, select the song, copy it, and then paste it wherever you want it to be on the Windows 7 machine. As a summary, wasn't that really easy? So that's how you can actually transfer files from one PC to another over Wi-Fi. Opt any of the above listed tools or application that you think is appropriate for your computer and purpose. Follow all the steps carefully and you will be able to transfer files over Wi-Fi or wirelessly between your computers. Hope you like the content and it really helps you.